How to set a default calendar on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, in order to set a default calendar, you need to have more than one calendar on your device. And here, if you scroll down, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon, then here scroll down and tap on apps. Next, scroll down, and here you can see on my device I've got Google Calendar and Samsung Calendar. And here, if you select your preferred app, such as Samsung Calendar, then we scroll down and tap on Set as Default. And here, tap on Open Supported Links. Just make sure the toggle button is turned on so that once the link is pressed, it will be opened up with Samsung Calendar. And then tap on the back key. Now let's say if you want to set Samsung Calendar as the default, then you need to make sure other calendars are disabled or uninstalled. So for example, with the Google Calendar, if you are not using it, you need to uninstall it. Then tap on OK, and that will simply remove the Google Calendar. Once there are no other calendars available, it will use the Samsung Calendar as default. Now that is the only way. Usually you can tap on choose default apps, but in this section here, there is no calendar option which you can set as the default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.